Dear viewers, I want to thank you so much for watching Education and Patriotism. My name is Vincent Mujinya Wishuka. As usual, this is Sky TV, the TV that is only leading the campaign of fighting the ignorance, fighting the shyness and lack of competence in terms of self-expression. You know, very many people fail to express themselves in such a way that they are shy. Maybe these are the people who fear debates in school. These are the people who do not want to say anything when debates are going on. Now, dear viewers, we are live here in Rushere at Bishop's Girls School in Rushere. This is a girls' school deep here inside Kiruhura in the district where the President Museveni comes from. And with these girls, we are here to talk about one issue. What are the benefits of writing? These girls here are the members of Writers Club. They are here to tell us exactly what are the benefits. Why did they choose Writers Club? Why of all the clubs they had to choose Writers Club? And with me here, let me begin with this girl here. She is the president Writers Club at Bishop's Girls School Rushere. Maybe tell me your name and what made you the president of this club? What do you think you have something special?
My name is Kines Melissa, and I think what made me special to become the president.
Melissa, you are in which class?
Melissa, I'm in Form 5. I think.
The president of the Writers Club.
Yeah, the president Writers Club. And I think I became the president because I think I can do better. I can improve the club, and.
Can you assure the people out there who are watching you about the benefits of writing?
Writing helps us to improve it's an innovational skill, yeah, and it also boosts our confidence. Some of us, it's done by passion. We love writing naturally. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Let me hear from she's health and sanitation prefect, and please let's know from you. Many people hate writing. For you, you are the member of Writers Club. What is so special about this club that you saw in writing?
I think why most people hate writing, it's just because some people are lazy. But this Writers Club, when you are a writer, you gain many things. For example, skills. You get skills, and when you're a writer, of course, you can speak. And when you can speak, you have all the confidence, lead something, of course, debates, you can debate. It also brings about creativity. You can write a book and get it sold, and then you get money.
Thank you so much. Let me hear from the academic and library prefect. Tell us more. Why do you love writing, and what are the benefits of writing? Very many people hate writing. And by the way, dear viewers out there, somebody said that if you want to hide something from an African, put it in writing. But these girls here at Bishop's Girls School Rushere, for them, they are saying we die with writing because the benefits are more. Let's hear from you. What do you have to say?
It's very important to write because you gain skills, you gain confidence, because when you're speaking, I mean when you write, that means you know how to speak. You gain confidence, everything. We love writing.
As club, please tell me, of all the skills in English, why do you love writing?
Thank you. My name is Nwaiza Florence. I'm in Form 5 doing HLD, and I'm the secretary for the Writers Club. Why I love writing, one is writing is like keeping records. The moment you write, you have to keep that thing you have noted down in your mind. And why I love writing, it makes you become a critical thinker. Of course, to write, you have to think first. As you think, then you write. In that, you develop your mind, you think far, and you get plans on how to go about with life.
Where do you see yourself with this writing, especially with the benefits you are enjoying in this club, the Writers Club?
My name is Arushka Isabella. I'm in Form 3 Bishop's Girls School. First of all, writing is passion. When one likes writing, it helps one to express him or herself, because some of us, writing is better than speaking. We express ourselves through writing, and it helps you gain confidence, these debaters, you debate, you give your opinions. Writing, I think it's the best.
Pauline, you are in which class? Senior 5. Okay, we are talking about writing. Even when it comes to reading, people hate reading. It means those who hate reading, they can rarely write. As a member of Writers Club, can you tell the Africans or the young people watching you on Sky TV why they need to embrace writing as a skill?
My name is Ankole Maureen. I'm in Senior 5, School Speaker, Bishop's Girls. About writing, first of all, writing is when you know how to write, that makes you, first of all, the benefits of writing. Writing helps you to be confident because there is a saying that says a good speaker is a good writer. So when you know how to speak, that makes you become a good writer. And secondly, also writing helps you to be creative.
That writing helps you to be creative. It helps you to also take away the shyness. It means whatever you are writing, you can be able to speak it. And this is very good. You who is watching us, this is Education and Patriotism, and my name is Vincent Mujinyabuijuka. We are here with these girls. I think they take milk. That's why they are looking so good. And we are talking about the writing as a skill. These are the members of Writers Club. For them, they said, other people can begin scripture union, debating club. For them, they die with writing. Maybe they saw a secret in it. And I want to talk to this other girl, Stella. Your name is Stella. Stella, why do you think writing is beneficial to you? And if it is beneficial, do you think it can benefit others too? And kind of share with us.
My name is Akandwana Stella. I'm in Senior 3. I'm the deputy head prefect of this school. First of all, writing is a very wonderful thing because it helps us think deeper. Because if you're to write something, you have to have thought about it or identified it so that you can impress your audience, so that you can impress the people that are going to read it, or so that it can be attractive. And another thing, writing is also a learning center. You learn very many different things from writing because you write and then you publish it or you give it to people to read it. So as you're writing, you're also teaching the society. Another thing, writing can also be a source of employment because right now you are a moderator yourself. You being hated because of writing.
We are live here in Kiruhura, the Archbishop's Girls School in Rushere. We are talking about the issue of writing. You know, this is the challenge. Most Ugandans hate reading. Others hate writing. Like, I remind you, somebody said, I don't even want to hear such kind of adage that if you want to hide something from an African, put it in writing. Why? But these are children. These are young girls. These are young people in school. If you are a young person out there, embrace writing. Embrace reading. Actually, the 4 language skills move hand in hand simply because there is no way you can separate them. They are like the cooking stones. If you remove one, then I don't think the saucepan will be able to fit there as you cook. Now, I want to talk to the person we have just talked to is the deputy head girl. Now I want to talk to Kangume Pal. Kangume Pal is the head prefect, Bishop's Girls School, Rushere. She's going to tell us. Very many people, by the way, go through school as prefect, but at the end of the day, you find them shy. They cannot write, they cannot speak, they cannot even address the assembly. We need to hear from her. How did she do it? Did she campaign or they just put her on the ballot paper and oppose it? What are the benefits she is looking at in writing so that you out there watching us, you can be able to also tap them? Let's hear from her.
Thank you so much. Well, my name is Kangume Pal, Senior 5 Arts, and as they've told you, I'm the head prefect, Bishop's Girls School, Rushere. I'd like to take this maiden opportunity to inform our viewers about the benefits of writing. To you all, reading, writing, listening and speaking, they all move hand in hand. So basically, if you have all those 4, trust me, you're a better citizen to have in our country. And I think when you're reading, it is it is a way for you to be informed, and in that very way you become an eloquent speaker, free to speak to the society. You talked about whether they balloted or what. It is my confidence that my fellow students thought it wise to have me as their leader, as the head prefect. So basically, in writing, as a member of writing club, rather writers club, I am very confident and I can express myself to the society and to my fellow students. That is also a skill that I've gained from writing. And then it is a passion as well. It is passionate. Through your writing, you will be able to carry out some research. You want to be informed about what is happening, what is going on in the country, and these are like all benefits of writing. You'll always want to know. You're inquisitive. You want to know what is happening. So writers, really, we go beyond what we basically do. And to everyone who hates maybe reading or writing, my dear friend, you're missing a lot. Thank you so much.
Dear viewers, we are live here in Rushere. We are talking about writing, and I'm with the members of the Writers Club. These girls, like I told you, have the secret. They know the secret. You out there who is shy, you are confused, you cannot just even write a sentence. I think they are the best in their class. If they can choose writing, then it means they are good in GP, they are good in composition writing. Some of them are in O-level, A-level. Definitely the benefits of writing are mob. Let me now have Natujuka Sheila. Sheila is also another writer. I think she's aspiring to be a prolific writer. She wrote in Mobile Schools Amare magazine, and these are some of the things, the advantages these young children should enjoy, because we need to encourage them. We need to let them know that writing does not stop here at Rushere. You viewing us or watching Sky TV Education and Patriotism, you must know that writing does not stop at your school, but even other places beyond the country or beyond your school. Let me have now Natujuka Sheila to tell us briefly what the secret she discovered in writing.
I'm Natujuka Sheila. I'm in Senior 3 and I'm the Vice President, Writers Club. If I can talk about the benefits or the secret in Writers Club, like the benefits are very many, and one of them, first of all, we are students. We are here basically for academics, and all we are doing here is writing, reading, speaking, and that's all we are looking for in school. So as students, we all need writing. We all need to write, like it's the best thing we are looking for. So as a person, writing is my passion, and speaking too. As you write, you gain confidence. As you write, you know how to speak. You can't tell me you're writing and you don't know how to speak. And that is one of the benefits. You become superb on writing, speaking. You get more ideas. You think out of the box and all that stuff. So to our dear viewers, they can join, even our other students. Some of them are not aware of the secret in Writers Club. But as we go on, they will come to know. As we write, we gain confidence and we learn more in writing.
Dear viewers, we are still here at Bishop's Girls School, Rushere. We are talking with the Writers Club members. These are the girls who dedicated themselves in writing. For them, they are saying there are secrets in writing that we need to know. And the viewers out there, this is Sky TV Education and Patriotism. My name is Vincent Mujinyabuishka. It is always challenging to hear somebody say, me, I don't like reading. I don't like writing. You went through school. You went through debates, you could debate, you could write compositions, teachers are teaching composition writing, journal paper and all that stuff involving addressing the assembly or doing all sorts of things that involve the 4 language skills, and you still remain shy. That is very bad. I want to let you know, by the way, I'm holding this microphone because of writing. If it was not writing, I wouldn't be here. If it was not speaking, I wouldn't be here. So the 4 language skills move hand in hand. We are here live at Bishop's Girls School, Rushere. We are talking with the Writers Club members. Which school are you? Which one is your school? Or which club do you have? Invite us. We shall come and cover you up. We motivate you. We let you know that writing or reading or debating doesn't stop at your school, but it goes beyond. Let me now talk to this young girl. Tell me your name and your class and the benefits that you see in writing that somebody out there viewing or watching Sky TV Education and Patriotism need to notice and begin enjoying.
Thank you so much. My name is Veinom Gashamasi. I'm in Senior 5 Sciences. First of all, writing is fun. It's fun. To me, it's fun. So the benefits of writing, when you're writing, you have to read. So by reading, you get to know more. And then another thing, you never know. For example, when you write books, many books, you might inspire someone. So you become an inspirer to someone. Another thing, you become more creative when you're writing. You're writing different articles, and maybe you improve on your vocabulary.
Is so unique with this girl here is that for her she's in science, and this is the challenge that we have. The doctors write using symbols, while the scientists also say we may not need to learn English or writing or reading because we are doctors and we use symbols. But look here, we have had some cases of doctors who are politicians. How do they speak? How do they write? We have had journalists who are scientists, and they are doing well. You've heard of Dr. Mitch Egwang. He was the famous radio presenter. He was also on TV, and he's somewhere doing well. I don't think he's even benefiting from his profession of veterinary medicine. So you out there, are you a student? Embrace writing. This is a skill that will help you to move borders and beyond what you expect. Let me hear from this girl. What is your name, the class, and why writing is important to you?
Thank you very much. My name is Ahumza Form 2B. I'm in Form 2B. I'm Ahumza Brenda. The benefits of writing to me, I think, they help me like to express my opinions publicly. Here I mean, like I've identified like a problem in the environment, like pollution. So I write like an article and it is published. Other people read it and they can embrace it. And another thing, it creates like confidence, and other things like speaking confidently in public, writing, and everything.
Look at the benefits of writing from these girls, the members of Writers Club at Bishop's Girls School, Rushere, live here. This is Sky TV. Dear viewers, we are talking about the benefits of writing. Why should you write? Why should you read? What are the benefits? And how has it helped you in one way or the other? The bosses are complaining that the people cannot express themselves. Marketing, you market yourself if you know how to speak. You can even get very many jobs. Like I'm told in many media houses, marketing department never gets full. Why? Because the media house is established looking for apart from other reasons, of course they have to create jobs for people. Where is your job? How best can you be able to acquire such kind of a job? Through reading, through writing, listening, and speaking. Let us hear from this girl, this other girl. She'll tell us her name and the benefits. Why should people embrace writing as a language skill?
My name is Rushere Comfort. I'm from 5 Arts. To me, why I think that writing is interesting, writing helps me to think outside the box, that is critically, because when you are given a topic to write about, that topic you have to think critically to get what to write. You think far in order to get what to write, because you're always on competition looking for something to write that is the best. So you have to look for the points to think critically in your head to write something that is important and will inspire someone else to also read. And another thing why I like writing, it is when you're writing about that topic. This topic, maybe someone may be in a problem. Like for example, if I am troubled, like I have a problem, I go and read some quotations and they help me to cool down. So that is why I like reading, because I know that it can cool me down, so it may do so to someone else.
Sky TV, Education and Patriotism. My name is Vincent Mujinya. We are still here with these girls of Bishop's Girls School, Rushere. We are talking about writing. But of course, dear viewers out there, you must know that these skills move hand in hand. You cannot become a good speaker if you are not a good reader. You cannot become a good reader if you are not a good writer. The four move hand in hand. And by the way, listening is also a skill. If somebody is talking and you don't listen, have you seen some people in the meeting when somebody is talking and they are just looking at him as if they are waiting for Jesus to come back? as if they're in a taxi. You know, when you're in a taxi, you can do whatever you want. What is important? What should you do when the meeting is going on? Note down something. So if you can sit there and you don't do anything, that means either you are lacking one of the skills, or the skills that you have, reading, writing, listening, and speaking, are a bit shaky, a bit vague. I encourage you to love reading, love writing, listening, and speaking. But these girls here, for them, they are saying we Writers Club is the only way we can express ourselves. We can maybe discover who we are. Do you want to become a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, a journalist, an accountant? What else? But how will people know that you are what you claim to be? We are going to have Alinda Martha. Martha is going to tell us why she loves writing and the benefits she expects. Viewers out there, please watch. Maybe you can learn one thing or two from Alinda and the rest of the girls here at...
My name is Alinda Martha from Form 1. I love writing because it has helped me see things, see clear. When I write, I can think things critically in my head and know how to express them. I expect to become a lawyer through my after learning how to write. I'm expecting to become a lawyer so that I can express myself and inspire others on what they can become. Thank you.
Dear viewers out there, Martha says she wants to be a lawyer. And do you know that lawyers are ever writing? Do you know that teachers are ever writing? What about the journalists? Who told you that you can become a journalist and you hate writing? Many children out there say, me, I want to work on TV. Who tells you that working on TV does not need you to learn how to write? Does not need you how to speak? Maybe for you are saying you're going to be the producer. Producers speak. You are going to produce the words that people will say. So embrace writing. And let me have Susan. Susan is going to tell us what she expects to benefit from reading. Remember, we are still here at Bishop's Girls School in Rushere. This is Sky TV Education and Patriotism, the famous education show. The show that tackles only education issues. We are challenging these girls. If you are out there and you feel writing or reading or listening is a problem to you, just watch this show. Watch Sky TV. We are on channel 468 on Star Times and on free to air. Just watch this program, the famous education show. It is going to make you different from what it has found you. Let's hear from this girl. Tell us why you are embracing writing as a skill.
So much, moderator. My name is Nwasima Susan, a student at Bishop's Girls School, Rushere, and I'm in senior 2. The reason as why I'm embracing myself in the writing club is because it has helped me so much, by the way. Since I started writing and since I joined this club, at least I've seen that it can improve someone's vocabulary. In case you have like poor English, anytime you can keep on improving. And secondly, it has helped me to be confident. At least I can stand before a congregation and I can speak.
The answer some other time. Do you know why these writers wrote their novels or plays? Do you know why these people, the musicians, sit down and write the songs that you people enjoy? Look at this novel called The Cowrie of Hope. These are literature students. Literature students out there, you might have read this novel, The Cowrie of Hope. These people have messages to put across, and these messages are not for them. They are your messages, they are our messages. And writing, these girls are saying, helps you to develop the confidence. It helps you to take away the shyness. Do away with shyness. And of course, it helps the brains to keep moving to an unknown direction. Please write. Embrace the writing. We're going to have to hear from this younger girl, Asha. Asha is a student and at Bishop's Girls School, Rushere. She's also a member of Writers Club. She's going to tell us which benefits is she expecting to benefit or to enjoy as she moves on with this club.
Thank you so much, our producer. My name is Dagre Asha, a student at Bishop's Girls School. I find writing as a way to express my feelings. It's a special way I can express my feelings, and even if I write an article, if I'm happy or sad, you can really tell. I found it as a way to really express myself, and it improved my accent, and it really helped me a lot.
What's wrong with the girls of these days and the boys? When we were in our times, we used to write letters to girls, writing a letter, and then this letter, maybe as a friend. These things the schools will hide, but they are there. They write the letters to their boyfriends, but of course this is a girls' school. And we are not talking about this girl, this school only, even the rest of the schools. What makes you embrace writing? Why should you write? Like I said, the writers had messages to put across, and up to now we are still enjoying them. We've heard of the novels like The Beautiful Ones Are Not Yet Born, The Concubine, and other novels that these girls are reading. Of course, there are very many messages that we can be able to discover that can keep us moving. Let's hear from this other girl. She's Kabite Rina Tembo. Tembo is going to tell us why she's a member of this club and what she has benefited or what she's expecting to benefit later on.
Everyone, my name is Kiruhura Tendo and I'm in senior 1. According to me, I think I joined Writers Club because, first of all, if God wishes me and I get an opportunity, like I'm told to write a speech to an important person, it may help me to write a speech which has heavy and important words whereby I write a speech and everyone appreciates it. Since I joined Writers Club earlier, and I knew and I developed some skills that in a way that I developed some new vocabulary that I can use to write in the speech, or maybe I can get some skills like having accent, like being creative, because when you're still young and you join like Writers Club, you can write novels that you can publish and they can be sold, and you also become famous in the country. Thank you for listening.
We're talking about writing, and thank you for watching Sky TV. This is the famous education show, Education and Patriotism with Vincent Mujinya Bwijka. We are live here at Bishop's Girls Rushere in Kiruhura district. We are talking about writing, and this is a challenge that is amongst the students in school. They hate writing, and at the end of the day, instead of passing through the system passes through them. When they move out, they can't get jobs, they cannot compete, and this is the challenge. Now, talk about issues like functional writing. Have you heard about the company secretary? What about writing minutes of the meeting for your company? Writing speeches. Some girl has talked about writing a speech. What about if a politician hires you to become the personal assistant? What jobs do those people do as personal assistants? They embrace writing, love writing. And if you love writing, automatically other skills will come in later. We are now going to hear from Jessica Namubiru. Namubiru is going to tell us why she is a member of Writers Club. And you viewers out there, maybe we think you may benefit from Namubiru. She's already enjoying. You can see her the way she's jolly expressing herself. She's talking what she writes. Let's hear from her.
Thank you. My name is Namubiru Jessica Payton, a student of Bishop's Girls School, Shere. I'm in Form 2. I love writing because I think everything around us revolves around writing. Starting from films, from speeches, from music. I think everything is around music, is around writing. Another thing I like about writing is that I get to express myself. Like there are certain things I can't express verbally that I need to put in writing. That's why I love writing, and writing expresses our inner mind, our imaginations. There are certain things that we imagine and they can never come true, but when you put them in writing, definitely certain things can come true. And as a writer, I look up to big writers like Jennifer Makumbi. She gives me the inspiration to continue with writing because she has reached heights that not even people who take in other things like being a doctor or what have reached to. So I admire her because of her confidence and her contribution to Uganda through writing. That's why I I urge everyone out there to embrace writing because it's a way to express yourself. Thank you.
We've heard from the girls, they're telling us the benefits of writing. They're saying writing helps you to be innovative, creative, and of course you also get jobs. You enjoy very many privileges. I call upon you to embrace writing. Somebody talked of vocabulary. You've heard people speak. You cannot speak what you can't write, and you cannot write what you can't speak. Like I said, the four move hand in hand. The HM is going to tell us the benefits of writing. Let's now hear from the head teacher who is going to tell us the benefits of writing, so that those of you out there who are still saying, to hell with writing, to hell with reading, this will teach you a lesson. The head teacher is going to share with us a word or two for you to learn. Watch Sky TV. This is Education and Patriotism with Vincent Mujinya Bwijka, the famous education show that tackles the issues, the thorns in the education system. Thank you so much.
Yeah, wishimwe takashira na kwachira Bishop's Girls School Rushere amazina nira kandi Reverend David Kagumya ndi master wishomero ya Rushere nabachira kwewara chibuzo chirunde echo is public speaking. True. And public speaking is a skill, and public speaking nayo it's one way of marketing oneself, because to express yourself ukamanya icyo uri kwenda ukaba assertive in a community, it is very important. Kuba umwana naje kuba naenda kuza kuronda umurimo nabamubuza ngo ugashoma ki tarko wasa ku expressing ane yashomere ubundi bamuta oral interviews kwegamba ho bamubuze bihuzo na aba timid atina uri mwana n'umurimo awejo. So public speaking is a skill kandi eitushemene nabo traininga umubeji umubana beitu akamanya kugamba cyakwe no mu community tureba members wa parliament abutwi umwe nazo mu parliament yashitama mu myaka 5 ekisande cyona chikwa takarita ganangwa na biru mu parliament nabanda n'ubwo abantu bagamba tayine cyara contributingire umwana ko kumutandika kare right from the start no shanga even umuka ahe mwana kuzarwa. As a teacher, I believe the family is the first institution where this a child goes to. Ubundi kwaza kore chiba mutera mutu bamutinza bamukondemira yaba nko mu stage ya discovery na rap discovery ngecho wa mu discouraginga wa mutinza ngwinu umuretero umutima wo kumanagerata na yetina ubundi achikana no mu environment yo kushomera ishomero abashomesa buyabugana tubamu encouraginga tubamwebembeza icyo kubanza ku encouraginga gukora programs debating in society. I mean in debating society in schools, debating clubs nkezo nzigunjura abana kubahereza motions bakadebating umwana akagumana practicing all the time, because practice makes perfect. Umuntu yaba tabase ku practicinga naguma kwenyuma. Then of all to in debating, especially with this new secondary curriculum, ya umshanga mnana every Tuesday to in a debate, and we encourage all the students to participate in the debating activities. We have music, dance and drama, abana nibishongora bazani mzana, all those activities is encouraging abana okweyiha mu kwetina actinga kazamisho gabantu akeshongora akadebatinga, all those things. Remember turiyontu turomunsi eriyone yongera kufunda abantu ntukanya, but the country, the size of our country in terms of square kilometers increasing, whereas the population increases, the space does not increase. So we are competing for space. So to competing for space, we have to have the skills to survive. And one of the skills, nukureba ngo umuntu nobasa no kwegambira no kushabe cyo kwenda. At survival will be for the fittest. Ko kubura shy or timid or kugarba or yenyuma turkubasa no kuja kusurviving umunsi tuyontu jadasta tuyontu. Nabwo cyo abeji ni encouraginga kugira club zezo bakaspromotinga omashomero kandi kuzara bezurumu bona bazenyigiremu writers club, debating club, music, dance and drama, all those I encourage them to participate. Hati for example no shanga emirumo nimicho mwihango hati kuba kujira ngo ba advertising emirumo hati babanza mu writing skills babanza babahereza examinations, and some of those exams they are about to creativity, they are about to creativity and innovation. Umuntu atakumanya kuhandika, umuntu atakwasa ku expressing ideas kwa kuruga stage age waza oral interviews, and if you cannot express yourself then you will lose your job. You lose the job, and someone who is competent, who is skilled in public speaking, who is skilled in writing, that one will win the day, will win the job. So ni encouraging abeji kureba ngo bagira umushinya bayishundara clubs, writing clubs, debating clubs, music, dance and drama.
This is Sky TV Education and Patriotism. My name is Vincent Mujinya. I've just been having these girls here. I had a wonderful time with these girls at Bishop's Girls School in Rushere. We've been talking about the issue of writing. These are the members of Writers Club. As you see them, they're all happy. They like putting their brains on the paper, and they believe putting their brains on the paper benefits them great deal. They can be lawyers, they can be doctors, they can be whatever profession. You know, being whatever profession, being a lawyer or regardless of any profession, that doesn't stop you from writing, because writing goes with reading, listening, and speaking. These girls have told everything to you, the viewers. They have said writing promotes creativity, innovation, job creation, and the rest of the benefits. And of course, if you're out there, this is a challenge for you. Which school are you? Are you a head teacher of the school? Are you a student in a particular school? Sky TV Education and Patriotism. Go through this program is where we can promote your skills. Reach us. We are here in Mbarara at Makalista Road, just near Kabateri in a primary school. Just come, bring your article. Even if your school says for us we don't want these things, just bring your article here. Ask for Vincent. Tell them now this is for education and patriotism. This man here who tells us that writing is important. They will keep it. I will get it. And again, I'll host you on this program. You could just come and hold this microphone, or in our studios here. You will just enjoy writing. We don't want your writing to stop at school, beyond your classroom. And I want to call upon everyone out there. Look beyond the classroom. Are you a member of the Writers Club, Reading Club, whatever club you are in school? Don't look at school. Just look at outside, in the field when you are out of school. I want to thank you so much, and with great thanks, or many thanks from the head teacher and the patron of the Writers Club. These girls here, they have said it all. Somebody says whoever digs in a soft place has to live. I have to say thank you so much. You've been good viewers, and till next time, I remain Vincent Mujinya live here from Rushere Bishop's Girls SS here in Kiruhura. Thank you so much.